Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. We are here with our lecture number 10 from the unit number 4, that is plants. Dear students, in the previous lecture we talked about the differences between living and non-living things. We also discussed that plants are living things and plants are of different kinds. In this lecture, we will talk about the different parts of a plant. Dear students, in this lecture, you will learn that leaves, stem, root, flowers and fruits are parts of a plant. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. You will also learn that plants store their food in roots, stems and leaves. We will also learn that flowers are of different colors, shapes and sizes. Parts of a plant. Dear students, there are many plants in the world. They are of different sizes and shapes. Some plants they are tall like trees and some are short like creepers and climbers. Dear students, all the plants have different parts like fruit, leaf, stem, root and flower. On page number 29, we have a picture of tomato plant. Dear students, we will discuss the different parts of a plant. So let's discuss flower. Flower is the most attractive part of the plant. Flower grows from the bud. Flowers are of different colors and they have sweet smell. Dear students, you know that bees they collect the sweet juice from the flowers and they make honey. Fruit. Dear students, fruit grows from the flowers and fruits have seeds inside. Most of the fruits they are tasty and they are eaten by humans and animals. Leaves. Leaves are of different sizes and shapes and mostly the leaves are green in color. Stem is the part of the plant that supports the plant. It gives strength to the plant. And different branches they come from the stem. Root. Root grows under the ground and roots absorb the water and give it to the whole plant. So dear students, the different parts of the plants are fruit, leaf, stem, root and flower. Dear students, on the same page 29 we can see another picture of an apple tree and we can see the different parts of the plant as well. So let us discuss them as well. Flower, leaves, fruit, trunk is the main stem of the plant, branches which come out from the trunk or the stem, root which grows under the ground, it gives support and water to the plant. Dear students, now we know that plants have different parts. You have to learn these different parts like fruit, leaves, trunk, branches, flower and root. Leaves. Dear students, on page number 31 you can see the picture of different leaves of different plants. Look at carefully on this picture. You can see that the leaves are of different sizes and shapes. Let's see the leaves of different plants. Here we can see the coconut palm leaf, eucalyptus leaf, banana leaf, mango leaf, papaya leaf, pine leaf, neem leaf and peepal leaf. Dear students, you can see that all the leaves, they are different from one another. In size, some leaves they are big, broad, some are short and small. And similarly, you can see that they have different shapes as well. Some are spiky, some are curved, some are smooth, some are pointed, some are feather-like, some are heart-shaped. And dear students, where do these leaves grow? Leaves grow on plants. Plants store their food in leaves, stems and roots. Dear students, we know that most of the food is prepared in the leaves. ज़्यादातर plants की जो food है वो leaves में prepare होती है और फिर कुछ plants में ये food leaves में ही store भी होती है, कुछ में ये stems में store होती है food और कुछ में roots में store होती है. Dear students, leaves are usually green in color and have different shapes. As we have just discussed that there are different leaves but they are different in shape. But most of the plants they are green in color. Leaves have different shapes. Dear students, we know that all the leaves they are different in shape and size. Here we will discuss some of the shapes. Like if we see that coconut plant, it has spiky leaf, and eucalyptus plant has pointed leaf, and if we see the banana leaf, it is bit curved. Then we will see the mango leaf, it is oval shaped leaf. Then we can see papaya leaf is like star shaped leaf. Then pine like a feather. Then we can see that neem plant has narrow leaves and the peepal plant has heart shaped leaf. Dear students, there are big leaves and small leaves, long and short leaves. कुछ plants के leaves बड़े होते हैं, कुछ के छोटे होते हैं, कुछ के लंबे होते हैं और कुछ के short होते हैं. And some leaves have straight edges and some have spiky and curved edges. कुछ के edges जो हैं वो smooth होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ के जो edges जो किनारे हैं वो spiky कांटों जैसे या curved होते हैं, like we have seen in the banana leaf. So leaves have different shapes. Friends, on page number 31 we have a segment discuss and answer, and what we are asked to do, bring some leaves and describe your leaves by using these words. Dear students, what you have to do, you have to bring 2 or 3 leaves. You will have to observe your leaf carefully and then you will describe your leaf by using these words. So let's see what these words are. Green, long, wide, narrow, oval, round, heart shape, smooth, rough, spiky, like a feather, broad. Dear students, I hope that you have understood what you have to do. All the best. Flowers. Dear students, flower is the most attractive part of a plant. Flowers grow from the bud. Flowers are of different colors and they have sweet smell. Flowers grow on trees, bushes and other kinds of plants. Flowers trees पर भी grow करते हैं, bushes पर जो small plants हैं उस पर भी and और बहुत सारे plants हैं जिस पर flowers grow करते हैं. Some plants have many flowers and some have few. कुछ plants पे ज़्यादा फूल होते हैं और कुछ पे कम. Flowers grow from buds. As we have already discussed that flowers grow from the bud. Bud यानी कि कली. पहले वो थोड़ा सा closed होते हैं petals और फिर वो खिल जाते हैं and they become flower. Flower. Dear students, on page number 32 we can see different flowers. So let's see which flowers are there on page number 32. Here we can see rose flower, hibiscus flower, poppy flower, sunflower, marigold flower and lily flower. Dear students, you can see that all these flowers, they are different in colors and shapes and sizes. So flowers are of different colors, shapes and sizes. Some flowers have many petals, others have a few. Petals. Dear students, what are the petals? Petals are the colorful leaves of a flower. And petals are of different colors and of different sizes. As we can see that petals in hibiscus, they are large in size, while petals in marigold, they are smaller in size. Then we can see rose have many petals. Even we cannot count them easily, but we can see in lily plant it has few petals and we can count them easily, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 petals are there in this lily flower. So some petals are small and others are large. Fruits and vegetables. Dear students, in our daily life, we eat different vegetables and fruits. If I ask you to name some of the fruits, I'm sure that you can tell me the names of different fruits like apple, mango, banana, pineapple, strawberries, watermelon, peach, and so many other fruits. And similarly, if I ask you to name some of the vegetables, I'm sure you can tell me the names of many vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, brinjal, gourd, ladyfinger, pumpkin and so many other vegetables. Dear students, we know that plants make their own food. Plants अपनी food खुद prepare करते हैं and they use that food, and you know the extra food they store them in their different parts like stem, root, leaves and fruit. Dear students, here in this picture of strawberry plant you can see many flowers which change into the strawberry fruit because fruit grow from flowers and there are different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Dear students, we are discussing fruits and vegetables. We know that plants, they make their food and they store their extra food in their different parts, like in leaves, in roots, in stems, or in fruits. Some vegetables are leaves or stems of plants. कि कुछ सब्जियां वो प्लांट्स के या वो leaves होते हैं या वो stems होते हैं. Like spinach. Spinach are the leaves which we eat as vegetable. Similarly, बहुत सारे बच्चों को potatoes बहुत पसंद होते हैं, उसके चिप्स भी बना के खाते हैं. And you know, potatoes are stems. Some vegetables are grown on branches and stems. और कुछ सब्जियां वो branches पर grow करती हैं या वो stems के ऊपर लगी हुई होती हैं. Like green beans and tomatoes. Here we have very interesting fact about the tomatoes, that tomatoes are basically fruit because they grow from the flowers, but they are used as vegetable. Dear students, some vegetables are roots because plants, they store their extra food in roots as well, like in carrots, radish and turnip. Because they are roots, so they grow under the ground. Concept check. Dear students, on page number 33, we have an activity. We are asked, how many fruits and vegetables can you name from the picture? Students, you can see this picture, and in this picture we can see different fruits and vegetables. I'm sure that already you know their names. So just have a scale and pencil in your hands so that you can draw some lines to label the fruit or the vegetable. I have completed it for you. You will write the names of these vegetables and fruits. Then you will learn them as well, so that you will be able to use these vegetables and fruits in your daily life. Pineapple, brinjal, grapes, capsicum, tomato, apple, cucumber, cauliflower, gourd, watermelon, mango, potato. You can also draw this picture in your notebook, then color it and write their names. It's very interesting activity, isn't it? Take care. Dear students, I hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.